So good day. This is our Robo3 project. It includes a pneumatic system where it simulates a pick and place process. So we have a box. Then right now I'll be demonstrating the manual sequence where by pressing forward and reverse, I can control the conveyor belt. Now, an added safety feature is included where before it reaches the ends, there's a reed switch on both ends to prevent the cart from going beyond the conveyor belt for safety measures. Then, by reaching the left-hand side or the LHS side of the conveyor belt, a pick and place sequence will occur, which will be explained by Mr. Camacho. And by the end of it, the cart should stay again at the point of where the pick and place should start, and then we can reverse it back to its initial position for another run. So the pick and place sequence will be demonstrated by Mr. Camacho.
For the pick and place sequence, initially it is at the rightmost side. So this is RHS and this is LHS. So to initiate the pick and place sequence in manual mode, you have to press forward so it goes to up to here, at which point the pick and place sequence will start. So it's fast, so I will just discuss it very slowly. So upon reaching this point, the Y1 for the output Y1, which is the solenoid valve here inside this prototype, will activate, extending this cylinder here. So once this is extended, it will remain on the box for 2 seconds and activate the vacuum. It will activate the vacuum, then remain here for 2 seconds for the vacuum to grip on the surface. After the 2 seconds, it will Y1 will deactivate and the cylinder will retract. Then Y2 will then activate, which swings this. So this is a rotary clamp cylinder which will swing it this way, and it will turn off the vacuum, releasing the box. So another demonstration will be shown again. So to reset, you have to go all the way back to RHS, then back to LHS. So sometimes it grips, sometimes it doesn't. You will see a better version of it gripping in the discussion of the conditions for manual and auto, to be discussed by Mr. Gulla.
Yeah, so that is all for the manual sequence part of the prototype. Now moving on for the automatic sequence of the robotics project.
Okay, so when the system is in the initial position, pressing the start button will start the automatic sequence as follows. So the cart will move forward from right to left, and then the pick and place sequence will connect, and then the cart will automatically move to its initial position. Now, when here are the conditions for the automatic sequence. So let's do that again. So when the stop button is pressed in the middle of the sequence, there I just press the stop button there. Sorry. The sequence will halt. Pressing the stop PP again will initialize the sequence. So I will press the start PP again, and then the system will go to its initial position. And the last condition for the auto sequence is basically when pressing start, the cart will run forward, and when I press stop, the cylinder will pause, but when pressing start again,
Okay, we'll just resume. And that basically sums up our pick and place system with automatic and manual modes.
And, yeah, so thank you for listening.
So for the auto sequence, the main difference, uh, fro- its main difference from the manual sequence is basically uh, the the conveyor belt operates automatically. You don't need to push the forward or reverse button. You just need to push one button to start. So the conditions for the auto sequence are as follows. So first, when we put the AM switch to the auto position, upon switching the auto, initialization sequence starts. The initialization sequence will move this cart to into this side and this cylinder into this position. So since the cylinders are already in position, then the uh, the only thing that's needed to initialize is the cart. So I'm going to switch it from manual to auto. You can see the cart now go to the initial position, which is at the right hand side. Now, next is when the system is in the initial position, pressing the start button will start the automatic sequence. The automatic sequence will I will demonstrate. So once I press
Just need to add the box again.
once I press the start button, it already the cart will automatically move from the right hand side to the left hand side, and it will also automatically
Another added instruction for this project is during the automatic pick and place sequence, when I force the mode to change from auto to manual, the pick and place sequence should continue without any problem. But during the traveling from the RHS to the LHS side of the conveyor, the cart must stop. So for example, currently I'm in auto mode. By pressing start, they should automatically move. But by switching to manual, the cart should stop. So by pressing start, I'm gonna switch to manual. The cart stopped, which enables me to manually control the conveyor again. So now let's simulate the pick and place process in auto sequence. So now I switch back to auto, and by pressing start, I want to initiate the pick and place process. So the cart, we didn't manage to pick up the vacuum, but in essence, the cart stopped. While in the automatic sequence, it should have gone back to its initial position. So we also managed to satisfy that condition. So now I can manually control the cart again. So that is all for the last part of this project.